Also,
do my
did she
journal.
tell you about putting your fork down?
My fork?
Yeah, putting your fork or your spoon or whatever down halfway through your meal. Or,
For 1 whole minute.
No.
Yeah.
I've done it in front of him before.
Did he ask
It's
what you're
probably
doing?
like something.
I've had clients tell me, like, oh, I
notice?
did it, and my significant other was like, what are you doing? Like, why aren't you eating?
I'm seeing if I'm still hungry.
Yeah.
He should try that.
Well, yeah, it's seeing if you're still hungry and just giving a minute for what you did eat to digest a little bit without like shoveling it all down, and then your stomach's trying to play catch up.
The other thing is chew your food before you get your next bite on your fork, so it's not like...
Well, and then we get carried away eating without really tasting what we're eating, like really enjoying the food that we're eating. You know what I mean?
That helps you not binge.
Yeah.
Like the whole bag of Doritos. Like,